Welcome to another euro dollar update. So just had to wait a little bit longer for this correction to unfold. It had not even neared completion at all. So I thought I'd just have to wait a bit longer to sort of see what this is that is forming here. Now, what I believe this is a A wave. Now, if you look at wave 2, it was short and sharp. So therefore wave 4, I did say it in the beginning, has to be drawn out sideways, more than likely. So this is an ending diagonal, wave E. Now I'll quickly go back to the daily chart just to re-highlight what we're looking at here. So I believe this is a wave C down in progress since 2008. And let me just go back to the weekly for a second. Okay, so we have wave 1 down, followed by A, B, C, D, E. Now, in this particular case, because D never made a new low below C, I'm expecting E to be similar in length to wave C. But because it's already showing signs of being an ending diagonal, I do believe wave 3 down will commence after this move completes in the not too distant future, but we still need to see price make its way to the upper channel in order for it to basically be the same length as wave C. And as you can see, we're still in wave 4, so there is another zigzag left in this ending diagonal. So back to the 4-hour. So here we've got wave 1 zigzag, wave 2 was short and sharp, wave 3 was the longest zigzag, and now wave 4 drawn out sideways, and then we should be followed by another zigzag, probably similar in length to wave 1. But there's still a little while left to go in this correction. So what I think is going on here is the A, B, C, and I do think that this thing's trying to make its way back to the midpoint there, just to retest that midpoint of the of the channel. And once we've seen that, I do believe we're going to see a bounce in wave B. However that looks, it's yet to be seen. And then it should follow on by the rest of the correction before we see that final move. So this potentially could stay within this area and consolidate. We could see basically a move like this, right? And then basically just create like an apex triangle, and then until finally it's ready to produce its 3-wave move to finish this entire move off. But we still need to see more evidence of wave 4 first. Let's not get it too ahead of ourselves. Just trying to give you an idea of the type of move we're going to see happening. That doesn't quite look like a 5-wave move yet, so I do think that we're going to retest that break of that channel and then maybe just move a little bit lower there before we bounce up. Nothing actionable at this time. I would prefer to wait to see basically the whole correction completed before any positions are taken. But I mean, it's going to be pretty limited anyway. We haven't got much to go, but there is still a zigzag to trade in preparation for the end of the whole correction. So once this ends, I do believe things will get interesting. And yeah, I think it's going to have other implications in a lot of other markets anyway. So I'm not sure if you have seen my ideas on what I think is going to happen, but a big move to the downside in the euro, big move downside in global markets and other assets. Also, interest rates and bond yields spiking higher. They've already been showing their teeth, but I will be providing another update on the bond yields shortly. So hopefully you found this video interesting and informative. Thank you for watching.